Happy Friday mga Katribu and welcome to another episode of Kalingang Katribu Legal Diaries. I am Venice Bautista and I am joined today by Aranas Cruz, Araneta Parker, and Faustino Law Offices, Associate Lawyer Attorney Arrha De Leon. Good afternoon, Attorney!
Good afternoon, Miss Venice.
Hi, how are you this fine Friday?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay, so today's episode, we will be talking about the 13th month pay. So, first question, can you tell us about the Presidential Decree number 851?
Yes, ma'am. So yung Presidential Decree 851, yan yung batas na nag-provide, nagbibigay ng 13th month benefits sa mga empleyadong kwalipikado para dito. So, ito yung first batas na nag-provide niya for the 13th month pay. Pero after that, marami na rin issuances composed sa 13th month pay.
Okay, so since this is mandated by the law, what happens if employers do not give their employees their 13th month pay?
Well, pag hindi nagbigay yung employer, that would be a money claim against the employer from the employee. So, pwedeng magreklamo ang employee sa DOLE against the employer para mabayaran yung 13th month pay niya.
Okay. So, who are entitled to 13th month pay po ba?
Okay, so under PD 851, initially, nung linabas yung law na ito noong 1976, yung mga employees na entitled dito ay yung mga employee na nakaka-receive ng hindi tataas sa 1,000 pesos na monthly salary.
Okay.
Pero nung linabas yung Memorandum Order number 28 noong 1986, sinabi ng order na ito na all rank and file employees are entitled to the 13th month pay regardless ng designation nila or employment status or how their wages are paid. So right now, yan yung current rule, all rank and file employees are entitled to 13th month pay. Of course, although mayroong mga exceptions provided under the law.
I see. Okay, so what is the coverage po ba of the 13th month pay?
So coverage, ito yung basic salary ng mga employees. So yan yung basic salary ng mga employees and yung coverage ng 13th month pay for the whole year. Yan ang computation.
Okay, so how much po ba yung required natin sa pagbigay?
Minimum na kailangan ibigay for 13th month pay is you get the 12 years, you get the 12 month salary of the employee. So, for one whole year, compute natin yung mga sahod ng mga empleyado, and then i-divide natin sa 12, yan yung minimum na dapat makuha ng mga empleyado. So, around mga 8.33% ng total na nakuha ng isang empleyado for the whole year, yan yung minimum na dapat ibigay under the law.
Okay, so pwede sila magreklamo if it's below that, yung minimum nila, right?
Yes, ma'am. Oo. Actually, one of the exemptions under the law dun sa 13th month pay is kapag nakaka-receive ka na ng ganitong klaseng benepisyo. So, kung may binibigay na benepisyo over and above your salary, pero hindi enough yung binibigay dun sa kung ikukumpara dun sa 1/12, kailangan pa rin punan ng employer yung kulang.
I see. Okay. So, that's pretty good, no? Kasi talagang malaking help siya sa magiging employees.
Yes, oo. Lalo na kapag Christmas time, syempre,
Yes.
doon bumibili tayo ng mga regalo.
Oo. Di ba tayong Pilipino pa naman, sobrang kailangan bigyan lahat ng importante sa buhay. So, parang ikaw pa yung mahihiya kapag wala kang gift.
True, oo.
So, when should the 13th month pay be given?
Under the law, the 13th month pay should be given not later than December 24 of that year.
Okay, so talagang Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yes.
So,
Of course, dapat mas maaga para makabili ng
oo nga, oo. And for the next question, is the 13th month pay included in December payroll or paid separately? But before we answer, let us have a small commercial break.
Botomoto Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
Magandang araw mga katribu! Narito na ang mga makakasama nyo tuwing umaga sa programang Gising Na. Roy Pelevelo, Comfy Manalo, Atty. Lia Badillo Crisostomo, Vernon Velasco, Kim Sancha at Chirk Balagtas. Abangan ang programang Gising Na mula alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga sa Facebook page ng Daily Tribune.
Ilabas na ang mainit na kape at samahan kami sa inyong pag-almusal, mga katribo.
Sama-sama natin alamin ang mga natatagong istorya sa mga latest na kaganapan sa loob at labas ng bansa.
Simulan natin ang bawat umaga with good vibes sa mga informative and recreational segments ng aming programa.
Maaari niyo rin ibahagi sa amin ang inyong opinion via Daily Tribune Facebook page at Tribune Now sa YouTube. Makichika na rin sa latest showbiz happenings, mga katribo.
Kaya naman, magkita-kita po tayo mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga at magsama-sama po tayo sa
Gising Na!
Botomoto Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
Welcome back. We're back to Kalingang Katribu Legal Diaries. So, attorney, going back to our previous question before our commercial, is the 13th month pay included in December payroll or paid separately?
Well, since, as I've said kanina, yung, when the timeliness for the payment of the 13th month pay, it should be paid not later than the December 24 of that year. So, kung halimbawa, hindi talaga siya kasama sa payroll kasi separately paid siya. Although practically speaking, magandang isabay na siya sa mga sweldo ng 15 for practical purposes. Pero hindi siya kasama sa payroll for December. Separately paid.
Okay. So, does the 13th month pay calculation include any amounts in addition to the salary? May kasama pa bonus dyan or anything?
Does the 13th month pay, actually, yung 13th month pay, ano lang siya, parang basic salary lang siya na nare-receive ng employee. So, lahat ng sweldo, lahat ng binibigay ng employer sa employee, in exchange for services ng employee, yan yung kasama sa 13th month pay. Pero other benefits, hindi po siya kasama.
Okay. So,
and I think, yung hindi natin na-cover kanina, with respect sa mga employees na covered na 13th month pay. And I think this is important for our viewers to know. Yung mga hindi, as a general rule, rank and file employees are entitled to 13th month pay. Pero may mga hindi, may mga exempted dito. So, una, is yung mga nasa gobyerno nagtatrabaho, yung covered by the Civil Service Law, Pangalawa, yung mga employees who are paid on a purely commission basis.
Mhm.
Purely commission, purely boundary, purely task. Ibig sabihin, wala silang nare-receive na fix every month.
Mm-mm.
Yan ay exempted sila sa payment ng 13th month pay.
I see.
And then last but not the least are those employees who are already receiving equivalent benefits. So halimbawa, nagbibigay na yung employer ng Christmas bonuses
Mhm.
na equal dun sa 1/12 or mas malaki pa, hindi na yun exempted na sila sa payment ng 13th month pay.
Oh, okay. So does that mean that government officials with higher ranks like senators or president, for example, they're exempted from receiving 13th month pay?
Yes, they're exempted. They're not, I guess meron silang other allowances na binibigay,
Mhm.
pero under the law, they're exempted from the benefit of the 13th month pay law.
Okay. How about attorneys like you?
Well, ako nakaka-receive. But I'm also an employee.
Mhm.
So, yeah.
Okay.
And pero, 13th month pay is really a benefit granted by the employer.
Mhm.
So, nasa discretion ng employer yan. It doesn't, kumbaga, naglagay ng batas para magbigay dun sa mga rank and file. Pero kung nasa interest ng employer na magbigay ng additional or yun nga, mag-13th month pay, ng ganung benefit, nasa discretion ng employer yan.
Mhm. As long as the basic salary is computed there, right?
Yes.
So am I also right to say na maternity leave benefits included or not included in the computation? No?
Well, yun, as I've said kanina, basic salary ang included talaga sa 13th month pay. So yan, ito yung mga ina-expect natin na ma-receive natin every month on a fixed basis. Since hindi fixed ang maternity leave benefits, hindi siya kasama talaga sa computation ng 13th month pay. However, may exception dyan under the law kung as a company policy or merong collective bargaining agreement sa loob ng employer, sa employer organization, pwedeng maging kasama yan sa pag-compute ng 13th month pay. Pero as a rule, hindi.
Okay. So, attorney, I would like to ask your feedback lang for the staggered 13th month pay na pinag-uusapan ng gobyerno ngayon, di ba? What do you think of that?
Well, since sinabi nga ng DOLE na required siya and mandatory, so obligation siya ng employer, that would be, yung staggered payment would be good. Kasi on the part of the employer, makaka-comply siya sa obligation niya, pero hindi naman sobrang bigat para sa kanya. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, mahirap din na maglabas ng ganong amount of money.
Yeah, tama
so, kaya tama talaga yung staggered. Pero yun nga, under the agreement between the employer and the employee. In fact, inabasa na ako this morning lang na I think magpo-provide ng fund ang DOLE, or I think the government is trying to set up a fund for the employers para makapagbayad ng 13th month pay ng mga employees.
Oh, yes.
Which is a good help para sa mga employers talaga.
Okay, so are there penalties if the employer is late with the payment? Let's say na late lang siya, hindi naman completely talagang hindi siya binigay.
Oh, well, per se, walang nakalagay na penalty under the law. Pero kung halimbawa mag-file na yung employee umabot na tayo sa point na mag-file na yung employee ng case ng case sa DOLE or sa court, kasi hindi talaga nagbigay ng 13th month pay. Ngayon, mag-grow na ng interest. Yun na yung kumbaga penalty. Pero kung late lang siya, that would depend on the agreement between the employer and the employee. So, walang nakalagay na penalty, walang penalty under the law. Pero, kahit na maliit siya, walang penalty. But then, kung hindi mo bibigay si employer na darating na yung point kung magpapakala ng kaso sa employee, baka magkaroon ng interest, and yun na yung penalty.
Okay. So, gaano ka-late po ba? Or depende na yun dun sa employee na magsasampa ng case?
Well, kasi every January 15, the law requires the employer to comply with the report
Okay.
sa DOLE na magsabi na nag-comply sila doon sa obligation nila na magbigay ng 13th month pay. So, kailangan nilang magbigay ng report sa DOLE, submitting the name of their business, the name of their employees, kung magkano yung binigay nila, yung total grant, other information required under the law, para ipakita na nag-comply sila dun sa batas na yun. So, when you ask na how late, that would be the latest, siguro yung January 15. Pero talagang nakalagay sa law na December 24, kailangan ibigay yung 13th month.
Okay. So, talagang wala silang takas, basically. So, ano naman po masasabi nyo sa mga labor groups na dinadaan sa pagprotesta yung demand sa 13th month pay? Kasi nasabi nyo before, kanina lang na mahirap nga naman maglabas din ng ganong kalaking pera especially for mga small businesses, diba? So, what is your opinion on that?
For me, I can understand their side kasi yun nga, nakalagay naman sa batas yan, so under the law provided. Although, of course, kailangan din natin tingnan ng practical side of things na hindi lang employee yung naghihirap na yun, pati mga employer. So, I get the point na mag-protest para maibigay yung what they deserve under the law. Pero yun nga, kailangan talaga may discussion between the employer and the employee. Kasi, yun, even if sabihin natin na gusto natin mag-comply, pero wala naman tayong means or resources para mag-comply, hindi pa rin, saan magagaling yung
So, clarify lang din natin for our viewers, ang 13th month pay is based from our basic salary and hindi kasama ang Christmas bonus doon, right? Parang sa employer na parang discretion na yun ng employer.
Yes, yung 13th month pay versus yung bonus natin, 13th month pay is required under the law, while a bonus is under the discretion of the employer. Pwedeng magbigay, pwedeng hindi magbigay yung employer.
All right. Thank you for those insights. And we're going to move on now to do our next segment. But before that, we'll take a short break.
Botomoto Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
It's time for the all-new season of the Athletes Tribune. Non-stop revelations.
Gusto namin itanong ngayon kung ano ba yung status mo ngayon with your team, with Santa Lucia.
Diretsahang usapan.
Let's talk about the national team. And alam po namin na hindi ka nakasama sa original crew. So medyo nagulat ka ba doon?
And exciting updates.
Kamusta ba ang puso ni Nika Reyes?
Abangan ngayong Lunes ang 3-time UAAP champion at multi-awarded middle blocker, isa sa mga pinakahinahangaan sa Philippine volleyball, Nika Reyes. Ngayong Lunes na, October 18, 7 p.m. sa pina-exciting na season ng The Athletes Tribune.
Botomoto Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
are still watching Katribu, Legal Diaries, mga Katribu, and I am joined by Attorney Arrha to talk about the 13th month pay and how it's mandated by the law and that it only covers our basic salary. Attorney, would you like to add more or clarify something sa mga napag-usapan natin kanina?
Okay, so one thing na hindi ko na-touch upon, yung mga exempted employee, one of the exempted employees also are yung mga managerial employees. So under the law, they are not entitled to 13th month pay, except of course kung merong company policy for it, providing for 13th month pay to managerial employees. So managerial employees, ito yung mga employee na pwedeng magtakda ng batas. Ito yung mga employee na binibigyan ng karapatan ng management ng isang business na magtakda ng policies, ng rules. May binibigyan sila ng right para mag-hire, mag-discipline ng mga kapwa-empleyado, mag-fire. So yun yung mga managerial employees. And also, kayo na napag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa frequency of payment. Tungkol sa staggered payment actually under the law, pinaprovide na rin na yan para sa mga organization na merong unions, yung frequency ng payment ng 13th month pay can be negotiated sa loob ng collective bargaining agreement. So pwedeng mas madalas pa yung payment. Hindi lang isang bagsakan na December 24, pwedeng mas madalas pa.
I see. Okay. So talagang up for discussion na lang siya.
Yeah, pero kailangan bayaran.
Oo.
Even if up for discussion yung...
Yeah. Talagang endgame bayad ang 13th month pay. Okay. So attorney, matanong ko lang, saan nyo po ba usually spend yung 13th month nyo?
Gifts. Kasi Christmas time.
Gifts. Okay. So kasi sa ating Tribunal segment, may natuklasan kami na trivia. Based on surveys for the past 3 years, Filipinos usually spend their 13th month pay on these top 5 things: holiday gifts, debts, savings, gadgets, or tuition and school expenses. So talagang andun ka sa gifts, no?
Oo.
Ako, guilty ako dun sa gadgets.
Sa gadgets. Kasi sa Christmas, gift for yourself.
Oo, diba?
Malakihang bigay siya ng Christmas eh.
Yeah. Oo, dun ka makakabawi. Ano naman masasabi nyo dito sa trivia natin, sa Tribunal? Tama ba?
Tama. Kasi, in fact, under sa batas, yung one provision din para dun sa installment ng payment ng 13th month pay is provide na pwedeng yung kalahati ng 13th month pay ay ibigay before na opening ng school year. Tapos yung kalahati sa December 24, not later than December 24. Kaya nag-gets ko kung bakit tuition fee sa para sa tuition fee binabayad yung 13th month pay.
Yeah, so talagang sasabi mo na these are very Filipino choices.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So, thank you for joining us today, Attorney Arrha. Sobrang dami ko natutunan tungkol sa 13th month pay, especially hindi rin ako gamay dito. And we hope na nalinawan ang mga katribo natin sa usapang 13th month pay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, would you like to do say last messages to our viewers or just shout out to your friends or family?
I would like to shout out to my family and to our office.
I was very honored to have you on our show. It's nice din na very refreshing yung dating natin, yung usapan natin dito. So thank you, Attorney Arrha. And watch Katribu Legal Diaries live every Friday at 3:30 p.m. on Daily Tribune's official Facebook page and our Tribune Now on YouTube for the replay of the latest episode. Muli ako si Venice Bautista. See you next Friday, mga Katribu. Magandang hapon.
Thank you.